Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna do a video on differences and which one do you think's better of the new 2024 Tacoma off-road or the 2025 4Runner off-road. We'll do a little walk around of both. As you can see, the front ends are pretty similar. Lights, everything. I guess the suspension, front ends, everything bolt up to each other, so that makes parts, if you buy it for a Tacoma, it'll work on the new 4Runner, so that's kind of cool. Or same with the hoods. If you wanted one with a hood scoop or without, you could swap hoods and they'll fit right, right to each other. But yeah, let's take a look. You guys seen my Tacoma quite a bit, but we'll do a little walk around. Has a 2.5-inch lift, 33-inch tires, as you can see. Nice that Tacoma has, a bed. It's a truck, so that helps out, really useful. Still need new rims if anyone wants to help me out with that. All right, now let's look at the new 2025 4Runner we have. So you can see they look pretty similar, and actually they are a lot. One thing that's cool on the 2025 4Runner is they come stock with 33s. Now my Tacoma on the left, it comes with 265/70 tires, which is like a 31-inch tire stock, which that sucks. Too small, you have to upgrade if you want a 33, but the 4Runner comes stock with 33s. It's an 18-inch wheel. Tacomas come stock with a 17-inch wheel, which is weird. The hybrids come with an 18-inch wheel, so I'm not sure what's up with that. But yeah, let's do a walk around of the 4Runner. It's all stock besides the LED turn signals I put in the front from Lasfit. Those are awesome, like I showed you guys. But yeah, let's do a walk around. Tell me what you think. If you think the Tacoma's better, the 4Runner, I think they're both great. That's why we have both. Totally different. We had a 2020 4Runner, and yeah, this is totally redesigned. But it is a lot like the Tacoma. I think it is actually like a copy and paste of the Tacoma. Yeah, there's some unique things, a little different from the Tacoma, but they're very similar. Even the new 4Runners, you can fit 35s on them stock. They have, just like the Tacoma, that if you can see it, see this plate right here? Just like the Tacoma, you remove that, it frees up like 4 inches of space, and you can fit 35s. Remember, these are 33s, so there's tons of room. What's cool with the Tacoma and the 4Runner off-road is they come with the real nice Bilstein shocks on them. That's one of the other reasons to buy the off-road, because you get the nice Bilstein shocks. But yeah, let's open this up, take a little peek. So yeah, I'll show you the interior of my Tacoma, but it's very similar. The only difference is the 4Runners are made in Japan. Tacomas are made in Mexico. And I'm telling you, as I have both, you know, as you can see. The Japanese made is a lot better quality than Mexico made Tacoma. The interior, you know, it's the same, but just little things. The cloth on the seats, way better cloth and more durable than the cloth seats that came with my Tacoma. Everything's more, I'd say just, it feels more better like built than the Tacoma. Even little things I'll show you. On my Tacoma, this jiggles around quite a bit. This one doesn't. It's just little stuff you grab here. It doesn't jiggle like on the Tacoma. Stuff is a lot tighter, you know, in here. But yeah, this is a regular off-road model, so that's why you don't see the leather seats and, you know, the cameras all around. But for a base model off-road, it does come with quite a bit of stuff. So you can see heated seats comes with, steering wheel, all that. And standard comes with that, with the sensors in the front bumper, rear bumper. It's really nice. And the space is just insane. If you have a family, I'd get the 4Runner. The Tacoma is not really made for, you know, a family and everything. But there's quite a bit of space in here. I've shown you, you know. I'm tall and can fit in here with tons of leg room and everything. What's cool about the 4Runner too, you got the back seat vents for the passengers. Tacoma doesn't have that for the passengers. You also get this plug-in outlet, which is really nice. I mean, this is cool, the fast charging plugs right here, but who has the Type-C plug, really? We all got this one for the outlet. That's what we need. But yeah, pretty sweet. Tons of space. Even some of the 4Runners come with third row seating. This one doesn't. I think it's on like just different models. But yeah, here's the rear. Really nice. You got the usual outlet in the back like all the 4Runners do. And plenty of space. It's real nice, just like, you know, our 2020 4Runner. But yeah, I just love the look of these new 4Runners. You can tell me what you guys think. Even the rear lift gate's sick. Just little things they did. The stock lights are sweet on these, all LED, everything. But yeah, now let's look a little bit at the Tacoma. You can tell me in the comments what you like better. So you can see again, like I was saying, the interior is very much the same. I'm just saying the quality is better on the 4Runner, just because it is Japanese made. This is a base model off-road with the 14-inch display, which is nice. But it's kind of pointless to have this screen if you don't have the front and, you know, front 360 camera. Because then it's like, what's it good for, you know? I don't really use Android Auto and all that, but yeah, at least I have the heated seats in this one. These are seat covers. Very nice, huh? They look like it's stock, like it came like that. Let's look at the back seat. So I don't even fit back here. My knees are really into that seat and the front seat right here. But yeah, like I was saying, I mean, you could fit people back here if you have to, but they're not comfortable. It's not like the 4Runner. And like I was saying, see on the Tacoma, no rear vents for AC and heater for the passengers, and I don't have the outlet here. I'm sure some models do come with that outlet. Mine doesn't. Maybe the premium does. You guys can let me know. But yeah, you can see a lot of stuff I'm missing that the 4Runner has, which is nice. And in the Tacoma, you guys know we have this storage space, which is pretty nice under the seats. Another unique thing with these. And of course, we got the bed of the truck, which I use quite a bit. Personally, I like the Tacoma for me because I use it a lot as a truck with the bed. So that's very helpful for me. And yeah, another thing I wanted to point out is the 4Runner. It's not as noisy as the Tacoma, like the motor. Like the new Tacoma, like mine sounds like a little tractor, I think, or a diesel. You hear that engine, just how loud it is, and it's just a noisy 4-cylinder, but it's not as loud on the 4Runner, I notice, which is pretty nice. I'm not talking about the turbo noise, we all love that, but the actual like noisy little 4-cylinder motor, you don't really hear it much on the new 4Runner. They share the same engine too, 4-cylinder turbo. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a video. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments. I love them both. That's why we have both. So yeah, tell me what you guys think, and maybe some mods we'll get for the new 4Runner. Again, next for me on my Tacoma will be probably some wheels. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.